Okay, hey guys, welcome to Hfoschool. This short vid will be on back to work mandates and mask mandates. So the states and corporations are or seem to be joining forces on mask mandates. There's an increase in mask mandates right now. States like New York, Florida, and others are going back due to the other variant. Uh, I'm attempting to not get flagged, as you can see, but yeah, so they're increasing mask mandates. Well, they're enforcing the mask mandates, and there's an increase in mandates or proof of the actual shot. So if you have taken the shot, this really isn't a worry for you, though there are more shots to come due to the other variant. But for those who haven't taken the shot, that may be bad news, as seeing that, those cards or licenses for the shot, if you will, like a verification, will be required for some places of employment. So this is not a political video under any circumstance. It's just to inform those of you who have or haven't gotten one or more of the shots, that there are more to come due to the other variant, and there will be requirements to show proof of it if you plan on returning to work or finding work at another employment or place of employment. And also, those of you who were on unemployment, if you checked a box or filled out a form where it allowed you to deduct taxes, you will be entitled to a tax refund. Biden made, I think, up to $10,000 of it tax free. So those of you who qualified for unemployment will receive a tax refund if you were paying taxes on it. I'm under the assumption that there was an option to either not do it taxed or to do it taxed. So that's just basically your financial update. Sorry to get a little political, but it affects business. So there will be required proof of shots for those who haven't gotten it, and the states and corporations are joining forces, in essence, to reinforce the mask mandates. But that's it for today, guys. Till next time.